yummy kids, ulit na kids. This is my friend. She's in Poland now.
Oh, yeah.
Pagtanong diha, kids, uy. Kasi mabuhi diha. Maybe Jackford will gonna survive in Finland.
I don't think so.
Poland. Pagsuway og tanong kids, base mabuhi.